back to Advent of Code 2016. This is the follow-up broadcast to Problem 17, which we attempted at my office Christmas party last night, and couldn't. We got part one of Problem 17, but we're not able to get part two. And so now what I did was, on my own time, I went and actually I watched the video this morning and immediately noticed what the problem with our solution was, and I'll explain that. I'll explain that now. Basically, the problem with our first solution was that we weren't accounting for these walls that are always closed. That there was no bounds checking on our position. So we were exploring, not only off all the way far off to the right here and all the way down, but also all the way up and all the way to the left. And then so that just made our search space effectively unlimited. So that's why our search never terminated, our search for the longest path. So I made one change to our valid moves here, which is that I'm saying when that we only are going to emit a valid move when the position is within our 4x4 grid here, and that's what this is doing, just making sure that every that both our x and y coordinate are one of these four numbers. And then I made a small change to the breadth first search, where instead of, so I'm going to put final states into the state map, this piece that we're retaining in our loop, but I'm not going to use it to explore new nodes. And that way we'll get all the final edges in the state map. And then, so this search will terminate. We will reach this condition where there are no more nodes to look at. And then when that happens, what we're going to do is we're going to find all the final states in the state map, and then find which one took the longest to get there. And we can compare to the provided inputs here. So the output looks like this. Yeah, so you can see that our final state, it took 448 steps to get to. So here, this is actually the example that they provide. So you can see 370 here for this IHG PW 370, and then verify that the next one is 492 here, and then the next one is 830 here, and then our actual answer here for 448. So yeah, so what turned out to be just sort of like a silly bug in our program cost us getting any points in part two yesterday, but I think we did pretty well for a party environment. I'll be streaming Problem 17 tonight in let's take a look, about 8 hours from now. So hope you join me for that. And yeah, we see that they've put a Christmas tree up in this parking lot here. Very exciting. And yeah, looking forward to tonight's problem. Thanks for watching.